Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Kirkfield, Ontario. This quiet village sits in the Kawartha Lakes region, surrounded by scenic farmland, rivers, and winding country roads. Kirkfield has a rich history that dates back to the early 1800s when settlers arrived to farm the land and build a close-knit community. It became well known for the Kirkfield Lift Lock, one of the highest hydraulic lift locks in the world, completed in 1907. Whether you're watching boats rise at the lift lock or exploring the countryside, Kirkfield offers a glimpse into the heart of Ontario's heritage. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Kirkfield, Ontario.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!